Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us today in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we learn how to easily configure your virtual machines to make the most out of Azure. And we have Anand Guruswamy with us today that is going to show us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us today, Anand.
Thank you so much for having me, Leon. I'm really excited to show you the new experiences that we've shipped that allow you to quickly and seamlessly manage a virtual machine right within the Azure portal. I think the best way to show you all the new value that we've added is to jump right into a demo.
That's awesome. Let's do it.
In the VM overview, the first thing we have done is categorize your information into different tabs. In the first tab, which is the Properties tab, you can see the important properties of your virtual machine all at a glance. If you want to delve deeper into a particular property or change it, you can click on the section header where you'll be brought right to the blade where you can do that. In the Monitoring tab, you get out-of-the-box informative metrics about your host machine. You can also see this data tracked over time by clicking on the selector. Scrolling down, you also get additional monitoring tools. With Insights, you can get even more out-of-the-box metrics that inform you about your virtual machine's health and performance. By setting up alerts, you can quickly become aware of health, usage, and cost issues. And with Log Analytics, you can query data collected by Azure Monitor Logs and perform your own data analysis. You can access all these functionalities by clicking on the respective cards. In the Capabilities tab, you get an overview of some of the most used services on Azure, can see their respective onboarding status, and also get a simplified onboarding process all within the tab. For example, with Azure Policy, I see that I've already configured one policy. I click on it, and I can see a context pane pops up offering a simplified onboarding process for assigning recommended policies. I can choose one of the other recommended policies, click Assign, and quickly start onboarding more to the service without having to leave this tab. If I want more granular control and more advanced configurations, I can click on the card itself, where I'll be brought to the experience where I can do just that. We're working with the different teams that you see here to make sure that in the future, all these services can have this simplified onboarding process as well. In the Azure Advisor Recommendations tab, you can get proactive, actionable, and personalized best practices from Azure. The recommendations are also sorted by impact, so you can prioritize which you want to act on first. With this tab, you can easily see how to improve the performance, security, reliability, and cost of your virtual machine, and make sure you're following Azure's best practices. Lastly, in our Tutorials tab, you get quick access to free training from Microsoft and video tutorials that help you get started with the virtual machine experience and also make the most out of it. This is especially helpful for customers who are new to virtual machines, new to Azure, or even new to the cloud. With these new additions, we make it easier than ever to easily and quickly get started on managing your virtual machine in Azure.
Thank you very much, Anand. Thanks every one of you for watching. Please try this out and let us know what you think. Leave us a comment in the comment section, follow us on Twitter, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.